Shuptadhara spring. This spring has 7 major cascades and in total 13 cascades. And way towards the spring the waterfall is 560 steps. It's quite long. If you can carry, Deepika Padukone will be impressed by you. Or you're signing off. Yesterday, I climbed the Chandranath hill for twice. First I climbed up, then climbed down on the other side, again climbed back and climbed down in the front side. So today these stairs are not really giving me any trouble. I'm enjoying it, and I'm sure returning will be also easy comparing to yesterday. Though people usually come here through vehicle, I came here by trekking on the hill. Again today I climbed up to Somnath peak of the Somnath hill, then trekked all the way through this place. It's called Shuptadhara Jharna. And as I said before, it has total 13 cascades, 7 major cascades. Let's see how it ends up. Signing off, Oreo. I did save a life, man. Feeling great. Oh, though it doesn't recognize me now. Man, be a little grateful. So I trekked through the hilly roads for 3 kilometers or more, and then took more than 500 stairs to reach this place. And it reminds me of that childhood math of a bucket. If a bucket has 2 holes to fill water and 1 hole to drain the water, how long does it take to fill the bucket? It's quite full, huh? Do you know what's the worst part about people? That if you start spending time with them, you tend to like them gradually. It is almost the same with the fountains. I have started to like this one. Though the first view was really very disappointing, I think it's beautiful now. I'm a kind of person who changes his opinion in every 3 minutes. This time it took 10 minutes. So maybe the fountain is as stubborn as me. There is one connection. Howdy, guy. The original plan was I will trek through this spring and see all 13 cascades. But this is not a spring, this is a wall of nature. There is no way I can climb that. I have no expertise in climbing hills, except where there is a stair. So it's the end of this place. Bye bye, the guy. I'm telling you, if somebody can carry Deepika Padukone through these stairs, she will be yours forever, ever, and ever. Shuptadhara Fountain and Eco Park. Let's create a dream sequence. Let's imagine a garden full with Radha Churas and Krishna Churas. If you cannot imagine it, you can see it. It's just right here in this eco park. And this avenue, I'm telling you, man. रब ने बना दी जोड़ी। After trekking through jungle and hill for last 2 days, finally I found this watchtower. Its entrance is blocked, but what can stop a maverick? And that's the shadow of this watchtower. It's quite high, huh? I can see why they do not use it anymore. It's a watchtower where you cannot watch anything due to the beautiful trees everywhere. Right. Only that hills. Maybe it's a watchtower for poets, I guess.